If you're searching for the best computer graphics and multimedia technology, or CGMT AKTU Handwritten Notes PDF, then you've come to the right place. These premium handwritten notes are specially prepared according to the latest AKTU syllabus and cover all 6 units in a simple, easy-to-understand, and exam-oriented format. The notes include important topics such as computer graphics fundamentals, display devices, graphics input devices, raster and random scan systems, line and circle drawing algorithms, polygon filling, clipping algorithms, 2D and 3D transformations, viewing pipeline, Bezier, and B-spline curves, illumination models, multimedia concepts, image compression, JPEG, MPEG, and multimedia applications. Whether you're preparing for semester exams, internal assessments, university exams, or back paper exams, these notes will help you understand concepts quickly, revise efficiently, and score better marks. If you find this study material helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends.